Hello, 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 hello. Yeah. Uh, okay. Check. Okay, guys. So let's wait for 5 more minutes. Then we can start. So, welcome to CoinEx CSC Talks, guys. Uh, let's wait 2 more minutes. Yeah, let's wait still a minute. We can start exactly at here. You see, right? IST 5:40 time. Yeah, we can. It's good to go. So today we want to cover the topic of GameFi projects. So as you know, there are a lot of GameFi projects that are going to be coming in Coinix Smart Chain, and a lot of projects have even started the interface and halfway through that. So some project with the starting from scratch, I could come go with Orcus. So this Orcus, as you know, they have the second map ready, and to look for some other upgrades with respect to they have plans for pre-sales. So as you know, the marketing conditions are not good. Most of the projects are not interested in going to pre-sale or listing at this time. So that is the real pain point here. Let me try taking it up. Yeah, so they had this amazing events. They have a community hangout for the November month, which ended November 18. So after that, they had a tech hiring, so they gave some giveaway rewards. After that, they had a random giveaway of $60 in order to make the community active. So these things make people realize that this project is for long term, right? So they couldn't invest if the project is not yet live, but they are doing this giveaway and making the people stay here. That's the main thing. And so they have a Discord invite and activity contest which is going on. And apart from that, they had hero name reveal. Yeah, take a look at one of our heroes. It is named Makaplau, a sailor and a fierce hunter of the village Emeros. So it is also coming into the main new character is coming. So they have a very active Discord server. So yeah, so there is a giveaway which you can win up to 260 USDT. Please participate in the event. So if you check out Arcus gaming videos in my channel, you should be able to find some of the videos already and their social media contacts. Let me have the videos, try to have if there is any information. he had a blue hat and he's a sailor, it seems. So he's a bow and arrow duelist character. It's very good thing that they are progressing and they are letting the people know that they are progressing. So that is the main thing. And by they having amazing community, they are retaining it with their giveaways and their active content, right? So that helps their community to be still active and let them, like we are doing analysis videos, but now you see that. So even though they have progress, related progress, and they have these things back that we are strong project before going into this and this IDO or those things. That's a good thing to have. Even the most main thing is that these projects don't get funded by us right now, right? We are not buying, we are not going at X. Most of the projects, what they do is they have a pre-sale before even the project is ready. They collect the money from us, like this marketing, those things, right? And after that we won't be sure, like whether it's going to be there, how long does it takes. That is a thing. Let me try the IDO date. I contacted them. They don't have IDO still on CSC. Okay. Go in a wait, there is more. So that is regarding Orcus. We are not seeing much of the tech update. So one update tech development is that they have the new character now. So he is a sailor and blue hat Macaplau, and is going to be available to play. And regarding this IDO and CAC, there's no further announcement, but they are progressing it, and there are a lot of events that are going on at this moment. That is regarding Orcus. So regarding block combat, they had initially planned a free sale on CoinEx smart chain, but it has been reverted to BSC, and the USDT that we bought using CSC have been reverted to BSC network, because they have not done a much of an update. Their gameplay is also not like very good, so they are still progressing. They also realized, and they are working on new website and UI UX upgrade, and inside the game also having some upgrade, it seems. And they have done a IDO on these things, but I'm not sure whether they have listed it. So I'm looking at that video. Let me try to pick up that. Yeah, the total thing inside the game itself, it's changing. It was previously, it used to be PvP 1 vs 1. Like when I saw in video now, like they are changing their whole thing. They are having maps, they're having castle type of things, but it requires time. I think they should have done this before, the IDOs and these things. Not sure, but in Gagarin they have refunded the whatever the pre-sale and IDO they did, right. They have released the funds which are bought by us. I tried it for 15 USDT. I got the 15 USDT back, but they are doing a lot of marketing and promotions. But the main thing is going to be their project. That is the main thing. Let's try the play now. Oh, play on web And this by BNB, where is it taking us? Is it listed? It's taking the same page. You see, right? These are the things that I was speaking of. I try Android. So it's going to a new tab and taking us the same thing. It's not good. They have just the buttons here. At least some of the features should be there. The main feature of Play, at least they should have a demo version. Initially, I used to see a demo, but it was not good. But yeah, at least that should be here. At least by BNB should us taking it somewhere else. That is also not here. Yeah. So this is regarding block combat. So one advice on block combat, it should be like even the community is not that much active. So it should be having some decent or good, like whatever they have showing here. Their website is upgraded definitely. Like their website, the old one was very poor, but like tokenomics, this is good. You see, right? The contract is not yet there, so that's why it's going to. But they should not have this by BNB button at least. So if looking at a roadmap, development, team expansion, marketing, these things are happening. So Dex listing is not yet there, but their project, as I have heard from the last month, they told they want to improve the project first. Their UI UX that they have told, and their game experience need to be upgraded. Then only they were looking for to go to this block, but Dex listing. So yeah, WebGL development. So that is stage 4. You see development on staking platform, multi-chain swap. So this is where I guess it should be CSC coming up. WebGL development. Yeah, that is good to know whatever they're doing here. So their backers and partners here you see CoinEx. Okay, see Mini Utopia. Yeah. So let's go look at the main project that I want to discuss, this Galactic War. So they are progressing very much. Their website is regularly updated. From last time I saw, this time, even whenever I open, right, their website is really upgrading their websites frequently. Let's see whether their roadmap, is there any update. Having their alpha test that I know, audit. Okay, I'm not sure they have done audit. Let's take a look at it. As they are in Q3, right? Let's try to check. Characters, those things we already explored, right? There is no much of thing. The team expanded, I guess, from last time to this. Sorry. Let's try. I will try to have get some update here, because most of the people are interested in Galactic War because of the high graphics, right? Triple A rated, and it is there. It is still out. It's not in blockchain, but the gameplay and those things really impressed most of the players. Who will be the most powerful leader? So there was a giveaway last month. After that, there is no much of an update I'm seeing. It's not. I will look up this project mainly to have a pre-sale or this thing. Even if it is a high investing period, I will sure invest in Galactic War because of their gameplay is really good and they have a good audience. Mm, this is good. They have a good partners backing up. Here you see CoinEx Smart Chain. documents. We already looked at these things. So what we mainly wanted to do at live is covering the updates. So crypto blades, I just made a video this month. I saw some of the features are already deployed in CoinEx smart chain. Some of their marketplace are already there. Not sure whether their token is yet to be launched, I guess. Okay. Is it taking me to? Yeah, it has option for fiat and those things, but is the token still there in CSC network is the question. You see, right, these buttons are not enabled as we don't have this enough skill. But do they have it is the real thing. Is it deployed? Because if you see, so you see, right, these things are still, I can see at least these things are developed on CSC. I checked in CoinEx.net Explorer. I was able to see some of their contracts are even there. Let me try. So this is a pretty much update on crypto blades, but as I can see, it is good, and whatever they are doing, it is their contract is at least in CSC for now. They need to have their tokenomics also should be here. CSC, that is the thing. But yeah, other than that, it's good. So most of the people have started this cyberpop. I even showed a gameplay video. It is in CSC, the team and those things we already looked. Yeah, get cyberpop, create a metamask wallet. This thing we already have an extension, we have a setup in my mobile phone, and we are able to do it. That is good. They have their marketplace also in CSC, but no, like there is no other items here. Okay, let's look at Cryptgate. They are still in demo. They have like their DEX is not yet been there. So this is also a project I will look out more if it is even a pre-sale. So skill is good, but it's already there. So yeah, I can buy it, but this is some of the pre-sale projects gives you the most benefits. So that's why I will be looking at Cryptgate, Galactic War, and BKB. It will be depending on how much progress they show. And Cyberpop, this is good. I am able to play the game. I need to buy some NFTs and do a checking of it, reminding them that that is good. Okay, because last time when I showed, I was not able to go to BSc, but I was able to play in CSC in Android. That is a progress from last to this update. Okay, I'm not able to see much of a thing. So you can join the beta test of Cyberpop. So Genesis 1 you need to subscribe and you need to have Genesis zeros list. So you'll get one airdropped character NFT. So you can get one NFT character to train BDs. After that you can also subscribe to one character NFT mystery box. They have a beta version and you can buy some BDs and you can do a testing. This is regarding beta. The announcement. This thing we can skip. So it requires account to sign in. Let me make a separate video of Money War, because when I made a video I remember I was having a CSC but I was not able to yet play, only the demo version was there. And this you already know, right? So I was also speaking of this at my AMAs. So this is a very big thing, right? Because you see, this is a GameFi. This is with respect to casino or betting type of event, and Pocket VR, it is related to NFT, metaverse, SocialFi, GameFi, and metaverse. This Mint Llama is NFT collections, Sarla is SocialFi, and Crypto Lottery is casino based. So all these projects are, you can see this, right? There are series of long things like GameFi, NFT, metaverse related thing. So that's what the future is moving into. They SocialFi, they have it's going to be a future where there's a high demand in metaverse, GameFi, as well as SocialFi. So this thing we already take a look. So this was the video I want to show you, but most of the time when I was in VC I was not able to do.
Most of the NFT, such as pets, without any programming knowledge. To keep creators engaged in earning money, we provide a tax-sharing algorithm. Landowners may build their kingdom by inviting citizens and receiving part of the royalty or tax from the marketplace transactions. It's called governing income. We support Play Over Earn. Casino battles improve the rates of returning players. Our testing version brought in 10,000 daily active users in 60 days without any token incentives. For landowners, the more citizens they invite, the more tax income they may acquire. This tax-sharing algorithm is based on the number of citizens, token staking amount, and prosperity of the land development. In Planet Second, your CryptoPunks for games with a monthly income of $50,000 or more.
Huge potential.
Hope you have a wonderful journey on Planet Second.
Amazing project. I'll try to take their website. This is a new video which is shown. Because when I tried, I was not able to find their website. You see, the problem is, but this video is new, that I can assure. Whatever the video that we saw is really a new one. The problem is I don't see their website. This will download you APK. Let's see whether they have something. Yeah, they don't have their website. That's the thing. We track them. Let us track now. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it is an amazing game. For now, let's try. Did you see, right? Get a passport NFT. Yeah, like we need to make a separate video on this. I was not able to get a website previously, or at least we have their website. It is for Windows, Android, iOS, Studio app, Player app. There are two apps separately. Market. Yeah, we can make a more description video on this. It's really a cool project. Till whatever I've seen so far, their graphics is good, and their gameplay and utility is higher, which is what we require now. That is good. We can make a separate video on this separately, and moreover we need to check the update. So thank you guys, thank you for joining the today's live.